Yeah, it's a beautiful fest actually. You said it right because they are actually providing a lot of messages across the country for all the youth people, for all the students. It's a peace initiative that they have taken, and they have this social week before their fest starts. So it's a good awareness that you spread amongst the people. So today we have peace as the topic for what we are supposed to discuss and spread the word about. So it's good. It's good actually. We feel nice about it.
So, as you said, today is all about peace. What do you want to say about peace? Just how Bangalore molestation happened. What do you want to say is still peace for women is not there?
It's just very unfortunate that a situation like these arises, and it's not good. It's not healthy for a nation. Although as much as we can do is just cooperate and be there, and we are there for each and every one. Safety is what concerns us when it comes to women, but there are a lot of cities as well which are actually safe. But we are trying as much as we can. The government is trying their best to make sure the safety ensures. So all we can do is stay safe and be aware of what's been happening around.
What do you think? How important is fest for students?
It is very much important because it's a part of their lives. Although I missed my college times and college fest, but it's good because a lot of people from across the country gather together to celebrate, to get to know each other. They have that self confidence over themselves when they meet other people. So it's like a social gathering. So it's good times. In fact, it's memorable one. You win, you lose, you have competitions, you compete, you perform, you show your talent, and also alongside you show your art and craft along with it, and also spread awarenesses such as peace and justice between the people. So it's good that way that a lot of social activities are conducted amongst the people to make them active, to keep students active apart from studies and everything.
So, one thing you want to say about this fest and everything?
Well, I would just like to say that thank you for inviting me, and I wish you all the very best for this coming week. And I hope you guys are successful in establishing and spreading the word about peace and justice and everything that you could possibly want to. So yes, all the best.
So, apart from the fest,
जी आज ही हुआ. I can just say he's a legend, yaar. May his soul rest in peace. And it feels very sad and disheartening to know all this. Yes, it's a sad thing. Yeah. I can't say much about it. Thank you.
Thank you. So I've always loved college festivals. I miss college festivals. I was part of my college festival always, which is Malhar for Xavier's. And I've come to NM, I've performed here before actually, Dunn Street. I've come to all these colleges and it actually is nostalgia because you come back and you come back with a completely different scene like now. I miss dancing but it feels good, like in a way I get to come back here and like remember the days that I used to be part of all of this. And I love the energy and I love it's really amazing. I love being part of festivals.
Today is all about peace. What do you want to say about peace? Because just now an incident happened in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So still there's some lack of peace for women.
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
See, even though everyone thinks and we all like to think that Kali Yuga is happening, women empowerment, but actually if we really go to think about it, India is still a very patriarchal society. And it's the way people think, I guess. I think it's just how society has made you think since the time you've grown up, that if a guy cries, oh my god, you're a pansy. If a girl cries, oh, you know, she should only play with dolls and all of that. It's the way we're grown up. If that changes a little bit, I honestly think that it's only the education system that can save us. And that's it.
So what do you feel like? How important is fest for student life in college or any school?
It's very important to take part in fests because you're not only going to college to like study and just like get into books and like get that kind of information. You go there to grow as a person, meet new people, have connections, communicate, meet new people and learn new things in life, not just like, studying from books. That's not what life is about. So it's very important.
So apart from death,
Pardon?
Om Puri Sarkar death हो गई.
Om Puri is dead? Oh, that's really bad. Like, he's such an amazing actor. Sorry to your entire family, and I loved you as an actor. Oh, that's a really bad thing to say when someone's on camera and they didn't know. I didn't mean to laugh. No, that's really messed up.
So one thing you want to say about NM College and how you like the fest, how you part of this fest and how you like this fest.
I've been part of this fest since like a really long time, since I used to, be in college and we used to come here and dance and perform and it was so much fun. So yeah, I've always loved this college. I've loved this. The first time I've been part of Drishti, I think it was called something else then. But yeah, it's fun.
So previously,
I think it was called O2 before. I'm not sure.
you came as a contestant. Now you're giving as a celebrity.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
It feels awesome. I